This is a pair of glasses from Mission Impossible Part 2 that shows you the mission and then self-destruct. Let's start decoding. As soon as the sunglasses are worn, the bioscan sensor embedded in the nosepad detects contact with the user's skin, verifies the identity, and checks whether it's the right person or not. Once the identity is confirmed, a signal is sent to the bootloader which powers on the entire sunglasses. As soon as the sunglasses are turned on, the nano processor is activated first. The proximity sensor in the dental sunglasses confirms whether the glasses have been worn correctly or not. Then the processor connects to the encrypted memory chip and loads all the mission-related information into the volatile RAM. This RAM only retains data as long as the device is on. As soon as the data is ready, the R display inside the transparent OLED lens is activated and the user sees their mission message. As soon as the message starts appearing on the screen, the bone speakers on both sides turn on and the sound reaches directly to the ears. At the same time, the RFID shield inside the sunglasses prevents any external scanning or hacking, and the anti-tamper system continuously checks to ensure that no one is tampering with the glasses. As soon as the message is complete, a 5-second timer starts, and during this time, the processor locks the entire system. As soon as the 5 seconds are up, the destruction process begins. The microthermite charge installed throughout the internal circuit is activated, which starts melting the internal sunglasses, and at the same moment, the microdetonator triggers the exclusive capacitor. This causes the entire gadget to blow itself up with a controlled blast.